Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL TAB 10 Max. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember, there has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. When you're ready, select Receive on TCL and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots on your Android smartphone and select Send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos, select only one. For example, that one, choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can connect our devices by scanning this QR code. If you wish to do that, you need to click on this scanning icon on TCL, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the QR code. But we can also input this key over here. We have a lot of time to do it. And click on Receive. Now, in a matter of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!